Miami, a city that needs no introduction, sun, sand, and serious real estate opportunities. This vibrant city is not just a vacation destination, it's a thriving hub for real estate investors. This city isn't just about beaches and nightlife, it's a dynamic metropolis with a constantly evolving skyline, making it a prime location for house flippers. It's a gold mine for savvy investors looking to make a killing in the housing market. Why? Miami's always evolving. New developments are springing up and older neighborhoods are being revitalized. People are flocking here for its vibrant culture and booming economy. The influx of new residents means a continuous demand for housing. This means one thing: high demand for housing. And where there's high demand, there's potential for high profits. High demand equals big bucks for those willing to put in the work. The real estate market here is competitive, but the rewards can be substantial. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With the right approach, even newcomers can find success. With the right knowledge and a bit of elbow grease, you can turn Miami real estate into a lucrative venture. Research is key. Understanding market trends and property values will give you an edge. Think of it like this: you're not just selling a house, you're selling a slice of paradise. Miami's unique appeal makes properties here highly desirable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time flipper, Miami's market has something for everyone. The diversity of properties means there's always an opportunity waiting. So are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Miami real estate? Let's get started. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. From luxurious beachfront properties to charming suburban homes, Miami offers a wealth of opportunities for those willing to take the plunge. Attend local real estate seminars and network with other investors. Learning from those who have already succeeded can provide invaluable insights and tips. Explore Miami's unique neighborhoods like the Art Deco Historic District to find hidden gems that can be transformed into profitable investments. Work with experienced real estate agents who know the Miami market inside and out. Their expertise can help you navigate the complexities of buying and selling properties. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Renovating properties can significantly increase their value, turning a modest investment into a substantial profit. Miami's real estate market is as vibrant and dynamic as the city itself. With the right strategy, you can make your mark in this hotbed for house flippers. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming a rundown property into a dream home for a new family. It's not just about the money, it's about making a difference in people's lives, and who knows, with hard work and dedication, you might even earn recognition in the industry. Miami's real estate market is full of possibilities, and the next success story could be yours. So what are you waiting for? The sun, sand, and real estate opportunities of Miami are calling your name. Dive in and start your journey today. Before you jump headfirst into buying and selling, it's essential to arm yourself with knowledge. Understanding the lay of the land is crucial. Miami's real estate market is vast and varied, with each neighborhood offering something unique. Miami's real estate market is like the ocean, beautiful, but with its own currents and tides. From the luxurious beachfront properties to the high-rise buildings that define the skyline, each area has its own charm and challenges. Just like the ocean, the market has its ebbs and flows. Knowing how to navigate these currents is key to success. To start, research is your best friend. Dive deep into understanding different neighborhoods. Each area has its own personality, price point, and potential for growth. Take the time to explore these neighborhoods. Walk around, talk to locals, and get a feel for the community. This first-hand experience is invaluable. Each neighborhood in Miami has its own distinct features and average home prices. Some areas might be more family-friendly, while others are perfect for young professionals or retirees. Look at recent sales data to understand what buyers are willing to pay. This data can give you insights into the market's health and potential future trends. Analyzing this data helps you make informed decisions. Are prices rising or falling? Are homes selling quickly or sitting on the market? Keep an eye on market trends. These trends can indicate whether it's a good time to buy or sell. Understanding these fluctuations can help you time your investments better. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? This distinction can significantly impact your strategy. In a buyer's market, you might have more negotiating power, while in a seller's market, you might need to act quickly. The more you understand Miami's real estate ebb and flow, the better equipped you'll be to ride the wave to success, and knowledge truly is power in this dynamic market. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate Miami's real estate market confidently and successfully, so take the time to learn, research, and understand. Your future success depends on it. They say the three most important things in real estate are location, location, location. This age-old adage holds especially true in the vibrant and diverse city of Miami, where each neighborhood offers its own unique charm and potential. And nowhere is that truer than in Miami. From the bustling streets of downtown to the serene beachfront properties, Miami's real estate market is as dynamic as it is promising. Finding the right property is like finding a pearl in an oyster. It requires not just luck, but also a strategic approach and a deep understanding of the market. It takes a keen eye and a bit of patience. The ability to see potential where others might not is crucial. This means looking beyond the surface and envisioning what a property could become with the right improvements. Look for properties in up-and-coming areas. These neighborhoods, often overlooked, are where you can find the true diamonds in the rough. As these areas develop, property values tend to rise, offering significant returns on investment. These often offer the best return on investment. Investing in these areas before they become hotspots can be a game changer, allowing you to capitalize on the growth and transformation of the neighborhood. Consider factors like proximity to the beach, good schools, and amenities. These elements not only enhance the quality of life, but also significantly boost property values. Families in particular prioritize good schools, making properties in such areas highly desirable. A property with potential problems isn't a deal breaker. In fact, it can be an opportunity. Issues like outdated interiors or minor structural problems can often be fixed, turning a less than perfect property into a highly sought after home. Often a little TLC can transform a fixer-upper into a masterpiece. Renovations can add significant value, making the property more appealing to future buyers and increasing your potential profit. Remember, the goal is to find a property that you can add value to, not just any property. This means looking for homes that have the potential for improvement, whether through renovations, upgrades, or simply better marketing. This way you can maximize your profit when it's time to sell. By focusing on properties with potential, you ensure that your investment grows over time, providing you with substantial returns in the future. Now, let's talk money. Real estate is an investment, and like any investment, it's important to be smart with your money. Before you start house hunting, set a budget and stick to it. Factor in all costs, including renovations, closing costs, and holding costs. Don't overextend yourself financially. Remember, it's better to walk away from a deal than to make a decision you'll regret later. Consider different financing options. There are loans specifically designed for house flippers. Remember, making money in real estate is about making smart, calculated decisions. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Section 5, the art of the flip, boosting your property's value. You've found your diamond in the rough. Now it's time to polish it up. This is where the real fun begins. Focus on renovations that add value and appeal to buyers. Think kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal. Don't over-improve. You want to make a profit, not create a palace. Choose neutral colors and finishes that appeal to a wide range of tastes. Remember, you're not designing for yourself, you're designing for the future buyer. Section 6, marketing magic, attracting eager buyers. You've got a beautifully renovated property. Now let's get people through the door. Marketing is key to selling your house quickly and for the best price. High-quality photos are a must. They're the first impression potential buyers have of your property. Write a compelling property description that highlights its best features. Use social media to your advantage. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are great for reaching potential buyers. Consider hosting an open house. This gives buyers a chance to see your property in person. Section 7, Negotiation 101, sealing the deal. You've got an offer. Now what? Negotiation is a delicate dance. You want to get the best possible price while keeping the buyer happy. Be prepared to counteroffer. Don't be afraid to walk away if the deal isn't right for you. Remember, a good deal is one where both parties feel like they've won. Section 8, Legal Eagles, navigating the paperwork. Real estate transactions involve a lot of paperwork. It's crucial to have a good real estate attorney on your side. They'll help you navigate the legalities and ensure a smooth closing process. Don't be afraid to ask questions if you don't understand something. It's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, your attorney is there to protect your interests. Section 9, Miami-specific strategies. Tapping into local trends, Miami isn't just any city, it's a melting pot of cultures and a hub for international buyers. Highlight features that appeal to these demographics. Think outdoor living spaces, energy efficiency, and smart home features. Consider staging your property with a Miami vibe. Remember, you're selling a lifestyle as much as you're selling a house. Section 10. Ready, set, flip, taking the plunge. So you're ready to take the plunge into the exciting world of Miami real estate? Great. Remember, success in real estate takes hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Surround yourself with a good team. This includes a real estate agent, attorney, contractor, and anyone else who can help you along the way. Most importantly, enjoy the journey. Flipping houses in Miami can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Now go out there and make it happen.